Hi, welcome to Examhood. We are still on word problem in fraction, mathematical problem in primary 5. So let's look at this question. If 8 children ate a crate of egg in 12 days, how long will 6 children take to eat same crate of egg if they eat at the same rates? 8 children eat how many days? How many crates of eggs? 12 for 12 days. 8 children for 12 days. So one child will eat for how many days? If one child is eating that crate of egg to take a longer time, that's one child will eat that crate of egg for 12 times 8. And 12 times 8 will give you what? 8 times 2, 16, right? 6 carry 1. 8 times 1, 8 plus 1, 9. That's for one child, the child will eat that crate of egg for 96 days. Then for what? For 6 children, how long will it take 6 children to eat the crate of egg? For 6 children, it will take them 96 over 6. For you to know the number of days it will take 6 children to eat, you divide 96 by what? 6. Let's 6 into itself one time. 6 into 9, 1 remainder what? 3. Add a 3 to what? 6 becomes 36. 6 into 36 will give you what? Will give you 6. So 96 divided by 6 will give you what? 16. So for 6 children, it will take 16 days to eat that same crate of egg. So this is the correct answer. This is Examhood. Watch us on our social media platform, like our videos, share our videos. This is your best educational platform. I'm going to stop here for today. Bye for now.